always get notified every time I post a video. So first of all, I have to say today I'm trying to cheer up, and my emotions are just all over the place, but I just want to have a productive day anyway. So I thought of cleaning the oven. It's a bit in a mess and I've not cleaned it, and I've been using it quite a lot. So I want to show you. So it's in quite a bit of a mess, but not too much. It's pretty much not in too much mess, but it really needs some cleaning. So I thought of showing you guys how I clean the oven, and I'll just be using dishwashing soap, a fresh lemon, and some hot water. I know you guys are curious because I know most people will clean the oven with vinegar, baking soda, and stuff like that, but it's not very dirty. It's not in a mess. So I think that going too much into deep cleaning, I think it will come in handy when you have a really messed up oven. So I'm not gonna use baking soda, I'm not gonna use vinegar, I'm just using hot water, dishwashing soap, and a fresh lemon. So if you want to know how you can you can use these ingredients that you already have, and you're gonna have a sparkling clean and fresh smelling oven, make sure you watch the remaining part of this video. Kindly watch this video and help me to cheer up, because I really need that. Let's get down to this. So I'll be using dishwashing soap, a fresh lemon, and this scoring powder. Guys, just look out for this golden scoring powder. It's very soft, and also my hot water right here, that's what we'll be using. The golden sponge is very soft, and it doesn't scratch dishes or surfaces and stuff like that. It's soft and it's very efficient. So I'm just gonna mix to create a solution, and yeah, that's what we're gonna use. So just follow up, guys, and I hope you learn something. I really love this sponge. It doesn't scratch surfaces, and it's more efficient than the softer it's more efficient basically. So the next thing, I'll just be removing like the racks, the tray, and everything. And actually I had if you want to have an easier time like with the trays, you can like soak it in water, so that if there is any stuck stuff on the tray, it's just gonna loosen up. So I'm just gonna remove everything, and then I'm just gonna soak the surfaces, and how I'm gonna do that, just take your take the formation of take the solution basically, and just apply it on the surfaces. The lemon is gonna come in handy. The fresh lemon, I put it because fresh lemon, it helps like to cut through the grease, and stuff like that. So just apply the solution to around the whole area, and then you're gonna leave it for like 15 minutes for just the dirt to loosen up. And so once you finish applying, make sure you apply it everywhere. And then also the hot water comes in very handy, because the hot water is gonna loosen also any other dirt around. And also the fresh lemon is gonna take away if there's any smell or stuff like that. So you're gonna have a very fresh oven as well. So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. Dishwashing soap and a fresh lemon and some hot water. The hot water is very important because it's going, like if there's some fats, and of course there are fats, it's gonna help in dissolving everything. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for the next so I'm gonna leave it like this for the next 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then for the fat and any other dirt to just dissolve. So I just close it and wait for 15 minutes. So on this other side, as you can see, I removed, we have the oven tray, very dirty, and then all this racks. So I'll also be cleaning this with the same solution. I have it right here. So as we wait for the oven to soak, I'll just be cleaning the tray and this, and I'll just be using this scrubber right here. So 15 minutes later. At this point, I'm just using my golden scrubber just, to clean it out. It's well soaked, all the dirt has loosened, so I'm just cleaning it out. And then after this, I'll take clean warm water again with a cotton clothing, and I'll just rinse everything out, wipe out all the soap, wipe out everything, and just have a clean, fresh smelling oven. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. A fresh lemon will always do wonders. Something very important I want to say, if you know your oven is really messed up, it's very dirty, you have to use vinegar and baking powder. But if you just want to wipe around and just clean up stuff, if your oven is not very dirty, you can use dishwashing soap like I did. So yeah guys, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. You can leave your comment in the comment section, and until tomorrow, I'll see you. Bye. Mwah.